If you do not have a camera to start YouTube or you do not have enough money to purchase one, keep watching, because at the end of this video I'll show you exactly what to do to fix that.
We can fix it.
First of all, let me make it clear to you that you do not need a camera to start YouTube.
Wait, what?
97% of YouTube viewers do not care if you show your face on your YouTube channel or not. The reason they are still subscribed or will subscribe to your channel is because you have value to offer. Here is a scenario. If I needed building materials to build a house and Mr. A and B offer me a pencil and a bag of cement respectively, which do you think I'll choose? The bag of cement, of course. Why? Because at that moment the pencil cannot help me in my quest as compared to the bag of cement. Not because it's unimportant, but because it's not needed at that moment. And if I want to buy furniture for my house and Mr. A offers me a bag of cement and Mr. B offers me a set of chairs, I'll definitely choose the chairs over the cement because I do not need the cement anymore. I have passed the cement stage a long time ago. So the pencil, the chair, the cement, I do not care if the givers are good looking or not. I am more interested in what they have to offer to me at that time. So when I watch your videos, I do not care about your looks. I watch because they are informative and entertaining to me. I watch because you have what I don't have. If you choose to show your face, that's fine with me. If you don't, I won't bother. But the moment you stop creating content that give me value, I'll stop watching your videos and start looking for other channels to replace you. That is how the YouTube community works. What I'm simply saying in essence is a camera is not a big deal. Having one is not a guarantee that you will create stunning videos and blow up on YouTube. If you can't afford one, go faceless. I have a YouTube channel that started off as a faceless channel for over a year. 6 months after I created the channel, we hit the YouTube monetization requirement. Although there are exceptions, certain niches and channel ideas require the use of a camera for the viewers to see what you're doing. And in this case, I'll tell you what you must do to get one. Niches about lifestyle, prank, how-to videos won't be possible without the use of a camera. So here's what you must do if your channel falls into any of these categories. There is an easy way and a hard way. Let's start with the hard way. If you must get a camera for YouTube with little or no budget, then you need to rent one. Renting a camera is way cheaper than buying one. Acquiring one is a nightmare for beginner YouTubers. So renting one seems like a better option. Hold on, listen to this. Before you go on to rent a camera, make sure you get yourself ready to film 2 to 4 videos from each rental. Have your script, equipment and any other thing you need for those videos ready. That way you save enough money by shooting 4 videos with one camera rental fee. That's like killing 4 birds with one stone.
I'm just killing 2 birds with 1 stone.
But the easiest way to get a camera for YouTube without spending a dime is right there in your hands. Your phone. Start with what you have. The video quality might not be as clear and crisp as you wanted, but it's your best option. Most big YouTubers started off with just their mobile phones before going on to purchase cinematic cameras. You can do that too. If the camera quality of your phone is good enough to get the job done, use it. Your first videos mustn't be perfect. In fact, they shouldn't be. But if you don't have a phone with good camera, borrow from a friend. A good number of phones these days have decent camera qualities which are great for YouTube videos. Just so you know, I shot this video with my friend's iPhone. My advice to you is start small, and when you get monetized, save up some money for gadget upgrades. Always remember, your first videos don't have to be perfect. They just have to be good.